Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now, it's all about skateboarding.
Yeah.
And joining us to talk more about it is Kayla Wheeler.
Hello, Kayla.
Hi,
Hello.
Kayla. That's a fitting name. Wheeler is a fitting
I know,
name.
right?
Appropriate.
All right, so you have to tell us how, when, where did you fall in love with skateboarding?
All right, so, well, I first saw skateboarding at university. I was going to UTech, and in my first year of going to UTech, I saw some kids skating by on the skateboard. I was like, whoa, that looked cool, and I wanted to try it. And I personally love challenges, like I solved Rubik's Cube and stuff like that with chess. And I saw the skateboard and I wanted to understand like the physics behind how it rotates and how they do the tricks. So I challenged myself to learn skateboarding. And
So, hold on there.
like I just got it from there.
Hold on there. You said when you went to you're about 12. You look like about 12.
24.
No, you're not.
Not true. Not true.
So tell us though, how long does it take to learn skateboarding?
It depends on how often you practice. So like if you practice daily, it will take you like a week to learn a skateboard trick.
Oh, how long did you practice? How often did you practice?
Like when I just started, it was like I was starstruck, so I practiced almost every day. So I did learn pretty fast.
Okay. You hear what him say a while ago?
You have
There's
hope.
hope for me?
Yeah, you have hope.
No, I've balanced
It's true.
challenges.
It's
but
true,
that's
there's
okay.
a lot of old people skating.
Okay, sure. All right, so Jamaica now has a skateboard park called Freedom Skate Park. Where is it? Tell us about it. I'm going to wet up somebody today.
Are you a Brazil fan?
No. No. But tell us about
the park though, Freedom Park.
Freedom Skate Park is located in 8 Miles Bow Bay, across from Copacabana beside the football field. And it was built by Freedom Skate Park Foundation partners such as Today Tomorrow, Paris Skate Culture, Separate, Sandals. A bunch of different foundations came together and allowed this to happen.
Awesome.
Nice.
I was also a part of the bill.
Nice.
Awesome, wicked.
I started building a park myself, but it wasn't successful, and then Freedom Skate Park came.
Okay.
Excellent.
Okay.
Excellent.
You manifested that, you know.
Yeah. So now you have a hope.